3 simple tricks to make tofu taste better than meat. Tip 1. Choose the right tofu. Use firm tofu, it holds its shape and absorbs more flavor. Tear it by hand, don't cut it. Rough edges helps the sauce stick better. Prepare your aromatics. You can use leek or scallions. Separate the white and green parts. Slice the whites into thick strips. Tip 2. Build leek oil over medium heat. Add a bit more oil than usual. Add ginger slices. Cook until slightly curled. Add the green leek. Cook slowly. When the edges turn golden, remove them. They've done their job. Add a pinch of salt to reduce sticking. Add the tofu. Do not move it. Cook over medium-high heat. Let it sear until the bottom is golden. Flip. Brown all sides. Add half of the leek strips. Gently toast. Make the sauce. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Dark soy sauce for color. A little sugar. Salt and black pepper. Sesame oil. And some water. Mix well. Cook until slightly caramelized. Pour in the sauce. Cover. Cook on medium-high heat for 5 minutes. Shake the pan sometimes to prevent sticking. Remove the lid. Add the rest of the leek. Tip 3. Finish with slurry. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch slurry. This helps the sauce coat the tofu. Cook 1 more minute. And that's it. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe for more simple recipes. See you in the next one.